And now they are providing this limited offer of up to 4.5% for 6 months. And you can achieve this high interest rate by setting up direct deposit or signing up for SoFi Plus, which is a $10 a month membership. Another incentive that SoFi has been offering is the $300 bonus. They've been providing this for a year plus at this point, and I will go into more details on how exactly you can get this, but just know right now that you need a $5,000 total direct deposit for a month, and then you will qualify for the $300 bonus. So it's free money. If you're going to sign up with an organization, certainly I would be incentivized by this. I am going to use a high yield savings. I'm going to use a bank anyways. So why not just take advantage of that? One thing to keep in mind here is that if you sign up with SoFi and you set up your direct deposit, but you don't get it, there's an account number here that you can call. And just remember that deposits that are not from an employer or government agency, included but not limited to check deposits, peer-to-peer transfers like PayPal, Venmo, merchant transactions, and bank ACH funds and wire transfer from external accounts are non-recurring in nature, like for example, IRS refunds, do not constitute as eligible direct deposit activity. So the bottom line here is that this right here gives you what does not count as direct deposit. And if you use one of these, then you will most likely not get their bonus of $300. So that's something very important to keep in mind. So rest assured that if you have a regular W-2 job and you have $5,000 plus direct deposit total for the month, whether it is private or government, if you have a job, then direct deposit that is frequent and constant, then you should be good to go to get your bonus. Now, with that being said, here is the threshold. So $5,000 or more, $300, $1,000 to $499.99, $50. And then if you have less than $1,000, then you do not get a bonus. At the end of the day, my friends, would I recommend SoFi to my mom? If my mom is looking for a high APY, so you earn more on your idle cash, you can make your passive income, save for your goals. Also, if she wants a nice welcome bonus for switching, like $300. And also, if she wants to do maybe some investing, maybe she wants to dip her toes in the stock market, kind of start playing around with $5, $10 to see how things work. And also, maybe she's looking for a new overall banking hub. She wants to have her credit cards, loans, savings, checking, everything in one place. And SoFi is definitely a great option. But of course, it's not for everybody, right? So if my mom is looking for no strings attached, she just wants a high yield savings with no direct deposit, it may not be for her if she has a lot of cash and always making cash deposits frequently. Also, if she is looking for physical branches, or maybe she wants to go talk to a teller, she's a little bit more old school, she needs help for banking services frequently, then it will be best to just go to a local organization and just have that one-to-one connection with somebody. So is SoFi for you? Let me know in the comments. SoFi is offering a $300 bonus right now. Start earning while rates are still high. Check the link below if you're ready to make your cash work harder. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like it, subscribe to the channel. It really does help out a lot. And most importantly, share. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.